in the campus of University of Chicago. Beautiful flowering. Before me is the Buckeye Aesculus. Aesculus is also seen in India, Himalayas, that is Aesculus indica. But here in Europe we find Aesculus hippocastanum, and this particular Aesculus with fascinating pink flowers also attracting the butterflies. See the butterflies foraging on the flowers of Buckeye Aesculus species. Which species that need to be ascertained. Quite elegant flowering. This part of the May 6th, May, the week for the Teachers Appreciation, and 7th May is also celebrated as National Teachers Day in US. And this fascinating horse chestnut or Buckeye as they call in America. So this is a raceme of Aesculus Buckeye with orange spotted pink flowers. Each leaf is palmately lobed into 6-7 leaflets, and leaves are opposite. They belong to Sapendaceae. Even calyx is petaloid, colorful petal. Stamens are coming out of the corolla, so means they are longer than the petals. So this unique flowering of Aesculus in UIC has assemblage of many butterflies, other insects, even honeybees on this sunny day. And this particular flowering tree is adding charm to the spring of Chicago. And nearby we have another unique oak. Perhaps it is white oak or red oak, Quercus alba or Quercus rubra. Leaves are lobed and they are alternate. So lot of diversity in the oak species. In Himalayas, oaks are represented by oak, Quercus leucotrichophora or oblongata, Quercus floribunda or Quercus dilatata, Quercus ilex or Quercus balut, and Quercus hemicarpifolia, horseshoe oak. And American continent is also quite unique in having more than 20 species of oaks and maples. So here is Buckeye flowering, and here is the lush green springtime foliage with catkins, flowers born in catkins. And there is another unique pine tree with 2 needles growing together in one dwarf shoot, and there are male cones. These are male cones, and also there is a female cone. Small size, this woody cone is female cone, and this is a bunch with male cones. These are the tree trunks with bark growing in UIC. Which pinus species? Again, that need to be ascertained on spot. It's difficult for me to identify the species. There's also this particular tree, legume, which is hopefully Gladitsia triacanthos, but without any spines. And this unique Buckeye fruit is used for the Buckeye candy kind of ice cream, which resemble the fruit of Aesculus. Chocolate all around, and front portion is without chocolate. That shape resembles the fruit of Buckeye, Ohio Buckeye, Aesculus flava, many other species. It's quite elegant. There's a landmark of Chicago, that is Hancock Tower, and the beauty of Aesculus flowering is attracting many butterflies and honeybees also. You can see honeybees at work. So this is supporting apiary also, and also butterflies. Genus Aesculus, family Sapendaceae. Species not sure which species. This is ornamental Aesculus, introduced in garden for decoration purposes. And this unique Aesculus I am seeing for the first time in Chicago in the month of May, a week for the teachers' appreciation. Each leaflet has the serrated toothed margin. And number of veins is more than 24. Leaves are serrated. Flowers are unique. Stamens are longer to petals. Calyx is also colored. It's a kind of panicle. Aesculus indica is called Goo and Gugu in Jammu Hills. What in Kashmir is called Handoon, Hangul ka Doon. Doon means walnut. Fruit resembles walnut superficially, but in America, rather than horse chestnut, they are named as Buckeyes. See, some bumblebees also there. So many pollinators and insects, they are attracted towards the food feast which the Buckeye flowers are presenting. And this particular butterfly is very, very common on the flowers of Aesculus in Chicago. Lush green foliage, pink blossoms in dense panicles in the backdrop of cloudy sky, blue sky, and tall buildings. Chicago is the city third densely populated city of United States, rather Illinois. And this is the time for the emergence of two broods of cicadas, brood 13 and brood 19. Brood 13 17-year life cycle and brood 19 13-year life cycle. In northern Illinois, we'll see the 17-year lifespan cicada, Maggie cicada cassini, whereas in southern Illinois, 13-year lifespan cicada, Maggie cicada, Red cassini, and some other species will be seen. So, double emergence of two different types of cicadas in this year 2024 is a unique happening, unique event taking place after a gap of 221 years. That is, in 1803, these two broods of cicadas, they emerged simultaneously together in the same year, same time. And this is after 221 years, again in 2024. Perennial cicadas are about to emerge. They have started showing their presence along the length and breadth of Wisconsin, Indiana, Illinois, Ohio. One poet has made the couplet also. Happy are the cicadas' lives, they have voiceless wives, as only males can produce the love melodies or love song in chorus. Many male cicadas sitting on different parts of the tree or nearby trees, they sing in chorus to attract the females. And the adult lifespan is hardly for a month, lasts for a month. But the nymph stage is underground and it is for 13 years and 17 years. So very long childhood and very ephemeral or short-lived adulthood. So I was also searching for any cicada, but I could not see any cicada on this tree trunk. This is unique Buckeye, but no cicada presence here in Chicago. Blossoms are attracting honeybees and butterflies. The flowers which are in the shade, they have turned pale yellow. What the flowers which are in the sunny locations, they are quite pink, elegant pink. See the beauty of butterfly. Quite interesting butterfly seen in America this morning. Esculus indica, the fruit and seeds have the presence of saponins, but they are also useful for the treatment of many cattle diseases. The Native Americans used the fruits and other parts of the tree for the treatment before Europeans arrived and colonized the land. This unique association of bloom and butterfly also signifies the co-evolution which has been taken place between insects and the flowering angiosperms. How beautiful this butterfly on the Buckeye flowers in University of Chicago, Illinois, where double brood cicada emergence is going to take place very soon. And city of Chicago and Illinois in particular will be buzzed with cicadas. They will be here only for 1.5 month, May, June. They will be there. After that they will die, perish. Females will lay the eggs, and those eggs will restore their life cycle that will complete it after 13 years and 17 years as per the species of the perennial cicadas. This is a unique time to see the cicadas in the wilderness.